Hey, it's Graydon here. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Forever Booked, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to collect a credit card deposit for new clients coming in, specifically through Facebook ads. So this video is for medical spas or any cash-based medical practice. So over the last 6 years, I've worked with hundreds of medical spas, and I would say, around 60 to 80% of them, when they first start working with us, they have trouble collecting credit card deposits. So they're just like this little Shiba Inu on the left here. It's impossible to collect a credit card. They get on phone calls with new clients, especially ones that are coming in through source like Facebook ads, and they can't collect a credit card. The client doesn't trust them. They refuse to give their credit card over the phone. And as a result, they just book the appointment, but then the person no-shows because they have no skin in the game. Especially for new people that have never heard of you before, you need to have some sort of skin in the game. You need to collect a deposit to ensure your show rate is high. Because if you book appointments and your show rate's 20 to 40%, it's a huge waste of your time, and you shouldn't be booking that person anyway. So after our clients work with us, they're like this doggy on the right here, and they couldn't imagine booking an appointment without a credit card. They go through a complete paradigm shift. They get so used to collecting a credit card that they always do it, and it's just the norm for them. And this in turn gives them way more confidence. And here's a little case study for you here. Arena has been with us for a couple years now. She's crushing it with our system. She went through her stats, and over a 30-day time frame, her show rate for new clients scheduled through our system was literally 0%. So she was booking new clients. She was running Facebook ads with us, and those people showed up at 100% show rate, higher than the show rate of her regular clients, which is unheard of. Usually existing clients show up at a very high rate, and new people, they no show. And so Arena is using the exact system that I'm about to show you in this video. So 3 things need to be in place for you to consistently collect credit cards over the phone. So the first thing is to have a unicorn offer. The second thing is to have a proven script. And the third thing is to have an easy credit card collection system. So the offer, you need to make an offer that someone can't refuse. If you see me on any of my other videos, I always talk about the offer and how foundational it is to the success of your marketing. So to understand what a unicorn offer is, let's look at what a unicorn offer is not. So this is a non-unicorn offer. I just went on to Facebook ads library. You can just spy on any sort of ads that are running for medical spas. So this ad, it's super vague. All they do is list their treatments. They say, well, we have all these things. If you click on learn more, it goes to their website to book a free consultation. That's not good. They're going to get distracted on the website. A free consultation isn't a good offer. Maybe it was, 20 years ago. But now there's just so much competition that no one values a free consult. It's not sexy. Why would someone give their credit card over the phone for a free consult? There's no inherent value exchange. And so if you try to get on the phone, this is why it's going to be very tough when they can say, well, I can just go to some other medical spa that doesn't collect credit card for the free consultation. Now, if you have a really good reputation and this is someone coming through a referral, they will be more willing to do that. But if you're looking around Facebook ads, and especially if you don't have a crazy reputation, it's going to be very, very difficult to do this. So let's look at an example of unicorn offer. So this offer, this is something we've created for our clients. We have a bunch of clinics running this very offer. Love your lip flip package. You can see it's got a ton of engagement here, lots of comments and shares and likes. And it's a great offer because it's super specific and clear. It's for the lips. You get a lip flip and microdermabrasion, so there is lots of value, and it includes a consultation. So when someone comes in, you obviously need to consult with them before you do any of these treatments. And so included in this package is a consultation, but it also includes the treatments, which is what people are truly excited about. So people you need to lead with what they want and then sell them what they need, which I'm going to discuss next. So this offer is going to be much easier to collect a credit card, and I'll show you how to do that in these next slides. So step 2 is to have a proven script. Why do you need a script? Well, the script maximizes the value of the offer by framing it in the best possible way. So you have this offer that someone saw on Facebook, in the Facebook ad. The script is going to allow your receptionist or your patient coordinator to properly frame that offer and set the expectations so when the person comes in, they're not just going to get that $75 thing and then leave. It's going to set them up to become a long-term patient of yours. And it also creates consistency. So if you have someone getting on the phone without a script, they're going to be saying a different thing every day. What if they're in a bad mood that day? They're going to be saying stuff that's not proven to work. So you need to start off with a script. They need to follow the script every time. You can eventually go off the script, but only until you understand, you've internalized the script enough to know which parts are there and which parts you can't take out. So this is why you must follow a script. What are the components of the script? So the first component is to identify the problem. So someone's going to click on this offer. They're going to click because the offer is sexy and they want that offer. But what is driving that click is a subconscious pain point that person's experiencing. So the person may click on it because it's this really cool lip flip offer, but inside they're thinking that their lips aren't full enough. They want better definition in their lips. They want to improve their lip and mouth area. So that's the problem, the underlying desire that's driving that. And you must discover this over the phone. This is just sales training 101. In any sales situation, any consultative sales situation, you need to understand the root problem that someone's coming there for in the first place. If someone just says, hey, I came here because it's a really cool offer, it's going to be very difficult to sell them because you haven't understood the core emotional driver. And this is where you get clinics that say, well, the person came in, they didn't want to do anything, they just got the offer and left, right? Of course, you're going to have some people like that, but a lot of people, you need to properly frame it by understanding their problem. So you get on the phone, you understand what's the actual problem that's driving them there, and then you're going to sell the consult. When you say, okay, perfect, you came in, you want to improve your lip area. Well, the perfect starting point is to do a consultation because it's going to be a custom solution we put together for you, and we need to properly consult to figure out what is best for you. Yes, this intro offer that you clicked on is still going to be included in that, but we need to do this consult first to understand what you truly need. So this is super important. No matter which problem that they come in for, the right path is always to go for a consult. If you're a solid clinic and you take care of your clients, it's all about the consult, and all the best clinics know that. It's all about properly setting that expectation over the phone. And when you're confident about this, even someone that came in just super focused on the offer, nothing else, they're going to understand and they're going to trust your confidence by saying that a consult is included. So you sell the consult, and then step 3 is you confirm the appointment and collect the credit card. So they came in, they love the offer, you sold them the consult, they're totally sold on that. The next step is to confirm the appointment, and that's where we move to our easy credit card collection system. So we use something called an A/B credit card close, and this is super key because if you just say, well, we need to collect a credit card, what's your credit card, or would you give us your credit card over the phone? That is it's a yes or no answer, right? So it gives the person a chance to say, well, I'm not comfortable doing that. I don't give my credit card over the phone, blah, blah, blah. So you need to have a better way to ask the question. And this is where the A/B credit card close comes in. So you say, wonderful, one last thing, no shows really disturb our schedule. So to lock in your appointment time, we take a $50 deposit. You can either just tell us this over the phone, we can take care of it. Or if you don't feel comfortable with that, I can send you a link to your phone. You can do it yourself. So this is great because everyone has either bought something online or given their credit card over the phone. There's pretty much no one in this day and age who hasn't done either of those things. So if you give them both of those options, there's no reason they're not going to go for one of those options, right? And this is just a much better way to present it. And this has skyrocketed the take rate for our clients collecting a credit card. So to do this, it's very easy. You just use Stripe, and with their software that we set you up with when you join our program, there's a very simple feature where you can request a payment. So all you need to do, you click a few buttons, you send that person a payment link straight to their phone. They can use Google Pay, and they can just, or Apple Pay, I'm pretty sure they have Apple Pay now, they can easily pay the deposit over the phone. So that's the system that we use to help all of our clients collect a credit card. I'm telling you, no matter how much you think you can't collect credit cards, or if you think that your city is, everyone will say, oh, well, my market's different. People don't give their credit card over the phone here. That's all BS, I'm telling you. I've worked with so many clinics. They've all came in with that exact same mindset. Once they see all the other clinics doing it, it's like the 1 minute mile. Once you know that it's possible, you will get it done. And so you're going to have a complete paradigm shift when you start using this system. It's going to skyrocket your show rates. You're going to be able to spend much more money on ads more successfully, and your clinic will become much more efficient because people are actually going to show up to their appointments. So if that was valuable, you can click the link below this video. You can go to go.foreverbook.com. I have some really cool resources. You can download a case study video and a whole white paper and a bunch of free resources to help you grow your clinic. You also have a chance to book a call as well if you want to learn more about our system. So you can book a call, talk to one of our consultants, and we'd love to help you out.